Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. All of you, open your textbook, page number 33. Today, we'll learn the poem Spring. This poem Spring, it is written by Thomas Nash. Thomas Nash, he is an English poet and a playwright. Playwright means a person who writes dramas. Dramas means natakagalu. Okay, a person who writes dramas is known as playwright. Students, this poem Spring, it is rhythmic. When you rhythmic means what? The sounds occur regularly. They have rhyming words. Okay, children. So look at your textbook. When you look at your textbook, in the first stanza, king, ring, sing. So here in the first stanza, the words it occurs regularly. In the second stanza, gay, day, lay. Here also the sounds it occur regularly. Feet, sit, greet. In the third stanza also the last words sounds it occurs regularly. Okay, children. So this poem is rhythmic. So pre-reading task. Students, spring comes after winter. Spring season, it comes after the winter season. There are lot of changes in nature. Okay, children, there are lot of changes in nature. What are the changes in nature? You have already learnt it in the poem, March. Okay, when the spring season comes, what happens? The leaves fall and new leaves grow. Okay, when spring season comes, all the flowers bloom. Okay, all the flowers bloom, and birds they come out of their nest and they sing melodiously. The animals also they come out and they enjoy this season. Human beings they go to their fields and they begin to work. Okay, in the spring season. Tell your partner what you know about the spring season. Students, you should tell your parents what you know about this spring season. Spring, okay children, we'll go through the poem now. Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then bloom each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold doth not sing, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo jug jug poo, wee to witavu. The palm and may make country houses gay, lambs frisk and play, the shepherds pipe all day. And we hear a birds tune this merry lay, cuckoo jug jug poo, wee to witavu. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old wives a sunning sit. In every street, these tunes our ears do greet. Cuckoo jug jug poovi to vitavu. Spring, the sweet spring by Thomas Nash. Okay, children. In this poem, the poet is describing about the spring season. So, what are the changes which occurs in the spring season? Okay, he's describing each and everything. What human beings do, what birds do, what animals do. So, each and everything he is describing in this poem. In the first paragraph, so the poet is telling that spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. So spring, it is a pleasant season and it is the year's pleasant king. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ವಸಂತಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಋತುಗಳ ರಾಜ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್, ದ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ king of all the season. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. So the spring season, when spring season comes, each and every flower blooms. Okay, so it blooms, flowers, leaves, each and everything blooms. So the spring season it blooms everything. Then maids dance in a ring. So maids means a young woman. Young woman, what they do? They hold hands, they form a ring and they dance when the spring season comes. They enjoy this spring season. Cold doth not sing, the pretty birds do sing. Cold doth not sing. Doth means what, children? Doth means does. Okay, doth means does. The cold does not sting. Sting means pricking. Students, when you hold ice in your hand, how do you feel? You cannot hold it for a long time. It hurts you all. Yes or no? So, the poet he is telling that the cold which was in the winter season, now when the spring season comes, that cold is not hurting any human being or animal or birds. Okay, it is not sting. Sting means pricking. It is not hurting anyone. Okay, the pretty birds do sing. When the spring season comes, the birds they come out of their nest and they sing. So different birds make different sounds. Cuckoo, jug jug poo, wit to wita poo. So different birds what they do? They sing very melodiously when the spring season comes. Students, so in the first paragraph, spring the sweet spring is the year's pleasant king. Students, I have already taught you all about figures of speech, metaphor, simile, personification and alliteration. So here in the first paragraph, the poet is comparing spring season as a pleasant king. He is comparing spring season to the king. So this is a metaphor. So spring is the year's pleasant king. So this sentence is a metaphor. He is comparing spring season to the king. Okay. Two things are compared. Spring and king. Okay. Sorry. Spring is compared to king. So it is a metaphor. Okay. And next, the pretty birds do sing. In the third line, the pretty birds do sing. Birds, they do not sing. Human beings, they sing song. Yes or no? Birds only, they make sounds. They make melodious sounds. So, the pretty birds do sing. So, it is sing. It is an action of human being which is given to what? Bird. So, this line, it is a personification. The pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo, juk juk poo, vitu vita poo. Okay. In the first paragraph, once again children, in the first paragraph, the poet is telling that spring, it is the sweet season, it is a pleasant season and it is the king of all the season. When the spring season comes, each and everything blooms and maids means young women, they form ring and dance. Okay. Cold is not hurting any human being and the pretty birds are singing melodiously as cuckoo juk juk poo to vitavu when the spring season comes. Okay children? In the next paragraph, the palm and may make country houses gay. Okay? The palm and may. The palm tree and the mayflower. Okay? May means hat on flower. Okay? The palm tree and the mayflower make country houses gay. So, the flowers bloom and they make. Gay means happy. Okay, gay means cheerful, happy. Okay, so the houses beside the countries, they look very cheerful because of this palm and may tree. So this palm tree, when it grows tall and they fall on the houses, not falling means when the air blows, when the wind blows, what the branches of the palm tree, it blows on the country houses, and the mayflower also, what it does, it makes the houses which are in the villages cheerful. Okay, it makes the houses of villages look very beautiful. Okay children, lambs frisk and play. lambs. Okay, lambs, what they do? They frisk and play. Frisk means jump and run about playfully. So lambs, okay. So all the animals, birds, human beings in winter season, as it is very cold, what they will be doing? They will be sitting inside their houses, not working. Or the birds and animals, they will be sitting in, birds they will be sitting in their nest. Animals, they will be sitting inside, because in the winter season it is very cold. Okay, so now when the spring season comes, what happens? The animals, okay, the animals also, they enjoy this season. Okay, so lambs, what they do? They come out of their shed and they start to jump and play. The shepherds pipe all day. Shepherds means a person who looks after the lambs, sheep and goats. Okay, so this shepherd, what he does while looking after the lambs, what he'll do? He will hold a pipe and he will play a music in that pipe whole day, from morning till evening. When he is looking after the lamb, what he will be doing? He will be piping his pipe all day. And we hear a birds tune this merry lay, cuckoo jug jug pooey to vita woo. And we hear a birds tune this merry lay. Okay, a birds means a different types of birds. Okay, wild birds, different types of birds. So different types of birds, what they do? They tune this merry lay. Okay, tune means begin to sing. Lay means short song. The different birds, they begin to sing short sounds. Okay, here also we hear a birds tune this merry lay. A birds tune this merry lay means begin to sing short song. So who will sing? Human beings are sing. Human beings will sing. Here the action of human being is given to the birds. Okay, is given to the birds. So this sentence, it is also a personification. Okay, a birds, different birds tune. Okay, they begin to sing merry lay means happy short song. Merry means happy. Okay, lay means short song. They begin to sing what? Short songs. Cuckoo jug jug poo we to vita woo. Okay, so when the spring season comes, what happens? The country houses look cheerful because of palm and may, because of palm tree and mayflowers. Okay, lambs, what they do? They come out and they jump and play. Okay, and the shepherds, while looking after these lambs, goats, what they'll be doing? They'll be piping on their pipes different musical notes. And we hear a birds. A birds means different birds, maybe wild birds also. Say they tune this merry lay. Okay, they begin to sing the short poems. Okay, the short songs as cuckoo jug jug poo we to vitau. Okay, they make different songs. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Okay, when the spring season comes, the fields breathe sweet. You will have a sweet smell in the fields. You will feel everything fresh. Okay, new leaves are coming. Okay, so grains are growing. So each and everything will be very fresh. So the fields breathe sweet. Here also the fields breathe sweet. Breathing, it is okay. The fields breathe sweet. You will smell very sweet. The smell of the fields is very sweet. The daisies kiss our feet. Okay, the daisies kiss our feet. The daisies kiss our feet. Kiss, it is an action of human being. So flowers, they are kissing our feet. The daisy flowers are kissing our feet. Okay, so here the daisies kiss our feet, it is a personification, children. Okay, it is a personification. The action kiss is given to daisy flowers. So this is a personification. Okay, children. So the fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. So when human beings, when they go through the fields, what happens? The daisy flower which are grown beside the fields, they, what they do? They touch the feet. They touch our feet, which feels like they are kissing our feet. Okay, children. Young lovers meet, old wives are sunning set. Okay, young lovers, new couple. Okay, young lovers, new couple, hosa jodi. What they do? They meet as the spring season. The season is very pleasant. As the season is very pleasant, what they do? The new lovers, the young lovers, they meet. Old wives are sunning set. In winter season, as it was very cold, okay, as it was very cold, now this old woman, what they are doing, old wives, old women, what they are doing, they are going out and having sun bath. Okay, and having sun bath, having a sunning sit means having sun bath. They are going out and they are taking the warmth of the sun to feel what, to get out of the cold, to get out of the winter season. Now they are feeling what, fresh. So in a winter season it was very cold, so they won't get warmth of the what, sun. Now in spring season, as the sun, as the sun rises, what they are doing, they go outside and they are having sun bath. Okay, they are having sun bath. They are sitting under the sun. In every streets, these tunes our ears do greet. In every street, in all the street, these tunes. Tune means a series of musical notes. Okay, a series of musical notes, or that produce pleasing pattern of sound. You can hear, you can enjoy the sound. Okay, you can enjoy the sound. It is very melodious. Okay, you can hear melodious tune. Okay, in all the street, the melodious tune greets us in every street. What melodious tune? The melodious tune of different birds greet us in every street. That is cuckoo, jug jug po, vitu vitavu. Okay, different birds, they make different melodious sounds. Okay, different pleasing sounds which our ears, okay, which our ears hear, and that tunes, that melodious sound is greeting us. Greeting means it is welcoming us in every street. In all the street, we can hear the melodious songs of the birds. Cuckoo, jug jug po, vitu vitavu, spring, the sweet spring. So the poet is telling that spring, it is the sweet spring. Okay, it is the sweet season. So once again, children, in the last paragraph, what the poet is telling? The poet is telling that the fields, they breathe sweet. When human beings, when they walk through the fields, the daisy flowers are kissing our feet. We feel like they are, when they touch our feet, what we feel like they are kissing our feet. As the season is very pleasant, new lovers, young lovers, they meet, and old wives, they will have sun bath to come out of the winter season, to be out of this cold season. And in every street, so we are welcomed by the pleasant music of different birds. Cuckoo, jug jug po, to vitavu, spring, the sweet spring. So the poet is ending the spring season. It is a very sweet season. Students, all of you read this poem once. Okay, children, all of you read this poem once and by heart first paragraph of this poem. Okay, children, all of you have to by heart first paragraph of this poem. Thank you, children. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Once again, children, for your homework, all of you, what you have to do? You have to memorize this poem. You have to memorize this poem. Thank you, children.